They're one of the most ancient and resilient creatures on Earth. They're found in every corner of the globe, from the filthiest alleys to the cleanest homes. They're the cockroaches, and they're here to stay. Cockroaches have been around for over 320 million years, and they've adapted to survive in almost every environment. They're omnivores, feeding on a wide range of organic matter, from food to paper to book bindings. Some cockroach species are social and live in large groups, while others are solitary. But one thing's for sure, they're incredibly resourceful and can thrive in even the most challenging conditions. But cockroaches aren't just a nuisance. They can also pose serious health risks. They can carry and transmit diseases like salmonella, dysentery, and gastroenteritis. And for people with allergies, cockroach allergens can trigger asthma and other respiratory problems. Interesting facts. Despite their reputation, cockroaches are fascinating creatures. They're incredibly fast and can run up to 3 miles per hour. And they're incredibly resilient. Some species can survive without food and water for weeks, and even withstand radiation. So, how can we prevent cockroach infestations? The key is cleanliness and vigilance. Keep your home clean, seal any cracks and crevices, and eliminate standing water. And if you do have a cockroach problem, don't hesitate to call in the professionals. They can help eliminate the infestation and prevent future problems. The cockroach may be a pest, but it's also a reminder of the incredible diversity and resilience of life on Earth. Thanks for watching The Learning Table, where every story teaches something new. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe for more amazing discoveries, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an episode.